A sexy beauty came out of the washing machine. Enchanting body, beautiful face. This is all because of a magical washing machine. Just make a wish and all wishes will come true. He can't even remember how many girlfriends he has changed. The lady type, the royal type, the virtuous type. As long as he can think of all the relationships again. He also took out the money he made and spent it in stores. Buy all kinds of luxury goods for his girlfriend. The ruby ring has passed through the hands of several owners. This is also because magic has a disadvantage. Once more than 24 hours all the things changed will disappear. And the frequent change of girlfriends was seen by Jenny. She couldn't believe how such a gentle man had become like this. When they met in the laundry room, Jack had just withdrawn a large sum of money. He pretends that nothing has happened. Shorts is limited in duration. Click on the comments section to see the full episode.